Hello, this is Abdullah, and I'm going to demonstrate how to download an app from the Microsoft Store. So let's begin. First, to open the Microsoft Store, you can either type Store or Microsoft Store here, and it will pop up the first choice right here. Or you can go to the Windows icon, and here it is. Uh, so let's start with this. So as you all can see here, there's some free apps that you can download for free or some purchase app that you need to purchase to download it. So let's go with the free app. Let's go with Spotify, and when you hit uh, let's go for example with this app. If you hit this app, it will ask you to download it, and when you hit get, it will start downloading automatically. However, the difference between the purchase app and the free app, instead of saying get, you will have the icon buy. For example, let's go with this app. You'll have the icon buy, as you all can see here. And when you hit buy, it will ask you for some payment method that you need to provide. You need to provide this payment method to purchase this app, and after you provided this payment method, it will start downloading automatically. Thank you.